be expecting on gold today. This is my gold breakdown and what I will be anticipating on gold today. Okay. Well, this was before going to that, let me just explain this trade that I took yesterday. So this one was during a session and I used the Asian strategy, which the Asian strategy, which is when I talk of gap, the Asian gap. I use the Asian strategy, which is the Asian gap. So the market opened with the gap, to the upside. So you can see this candlestick now at the 15 minutes, it closed bearish, but when instead of candle to open the next one, when since it closed bearish, the next one to open down, but you find out that it closed with the gap. So you see that candle, this one closed, this one open here, so and begin to drop down. It dropped down a little bit and start going up. So when it goes up, that's when it close at this middle. It close at this middle there. So you close at this middle. So based on the Asian strategy gap, so you wait for the your F and R zone. Since it closed on the upside, wait for the F and R zone, wait for the bearish confirmation, because since it opened to the upside, it's supposed to sell. That will be anticipating a sell market. So that is the reason I opened this sell here. I saw this market here, and this one is to 2.5. So this one was during the pre-New York session. So it came back and was on the 1 hour. In the 1 hour, the market, this one took up this this low and also this low. So I was anticipating for the market to come back to this level so that I will shut down, but the thing it take me out on a break even. So that is it. So what I will get that if you want me to break down, if you want me to talk more on the strategy, the strategy I use, you can drop it on the comment section. But let me go for what I want to do today, what I'll be anticipating today. So let me start from the weekly. So let's know what we'll be anticipating to. The weekly has already tapped on this zone. Like before the beginning of this week, I say I wasn't expecting gold to take out this high, except any kind of event happened and it took it out. But I was expecting it to reject back. But if we choose to do the opposite, that is left for it. So and again, let me go to the daily. So on the daily market, there is this resistance here, which actually turned to support, which actually turned to support. So you can see that the market has been playing around this place for a while now. So and you find out how this market closed the last which is yesterday, because it's actually how the market closed yesterday we anticipate what we may be having today. So you see that this candlestick it opened. When it opened and it first of all dropped down. It dropped down to this list, to this list here. So you see it begin to take up again and move up to this extent. So but all the less, it closed with a small body and a very weak candle. So and what I will be expecting today for this candle to do, I will be expecting this candle, since it's open like this, it's open here, I will be expecting that this same candle, like we do something like this. since it opened, and I will expect it to push down, at least 50% of this previous day will be okay. 50%, at least 50% of it, I'll be expecting to go through 50% of it. Then I'll be expecting, after going through 50% of this, I'm expecting to see something like this, market rally up again to take this high again. So there will be something kind of weak here. We'll be having some kind of weak like this, at least 50% of this previous day. So this was kind of thing I will be expecting to see on this candle today. So I'll be positioning myself on the buy market. What about if I don't get a buy setup? That means it's not going according to my prediction. So I would be more confident to take it when it's going to my prediction. So let you go to the 4 hours. For the 4 hours, you see that what's happening here is that this market, this low here, this low take up this low and make it a lower low. So you take up this low here, but was not able to take up this low. So what happened again? The market came and take up this high. So I will be expecting the market to come back and respect this. Respect this zone here on the 4 hour. So which is currently doing is respecting this zone here in the 4, this FR zone on this 4 hours, which is currently, since it take up this, so I will be expecting that the market will put down a little bit and continue to buy. So that is what I will be expecting on the 4 hours. So I'm expecting the market to come play around this zone while I wait for the confirmation on the 15 minutes. So let me check for the FRs, let me check for the zone on the 4 hour. So this will be a target zone on the 4 hours, and this is also going to be a target zone on the 4 hours. So these are the two target zone on the 4 hour, because I'll be expecting gold to respect it, but if it doesn't respect it, this one is going to be the next one I'm waiting for. So on the 1 hour, let me see how it goes. Okay, on the 1 hour, I can see that gold is actually respecting that zone I mentioned on the 1 hour, which is giving it a very nice rejection and building up momentum. So that is it. That's what I'll be expecting. I'll be expecting for a buy. At least let me go to 15 minutes to check if I can see any kind of wait. So that is what I will be expecting this market, since it takes here, it reacting to this zone now. Since it reacting to this zone, I'll be expecting to see something like this. If since it created a double bottom here and take off this high, so I would like this market also to come back here. I would like this market to come back here. I won't like it to close below this. I would just like it to come back here and also respecting this low again, so I can have the opportunity to move to the next target. So this is what I'll be expecting on this London session. So you can also check your own analysis and see how it goes. So you can also compare the two. If there is any comment section, if there is any comment you want to leave, any correction, anything you observe, anything I do not put in place, you can also drop your message, drop your voice note. Please help me and subscribe to this channel. So let's grow together. And also the same thing again, let me check if there is any fundamental line up for today. Today is Friday. Okay, we have a lot of fundamentals today. We have a lot of fundamentals. Let's see how the fundamental is going to react around 4 o'clock. Fundamentals is around 4 o'clock. There is a card. If you trade Canada, that is, you have to pay attention to the Canadian news. If not, I'm only paying attention to this US because I only trade gold. So gold is what I'm paying attention to. So I'm paying attention. I want all this. What I want. This is what I want. Since you are taking all this high, I would like you to play here or react here, and also come back and tap me in. So I will update you on how it goes. So that is it, guys.